da-da-da. It's going to be a little bit of a damp tour of Conwy Castle this morning, and you can't see the button. It's over there somewhere. So we've just finished our tour of Conwy, and I hope you've all had a brilliant time and that you're going to have a wonderful walk in Eryri this afternoon. So, 1, 2, 3. Diolch yn fawr, thank you. Oi, oi, oi! So on my way home after today's tour, I thought I would collect some blackberries. They're getting a real hammering from this rain that we're having, so I thought I'd better grab some. There is making of blackberry vinegar in the offing. Keep you posted.